What makes a marriage beautiful para sa'yo?
When they can love each other even when they're fighting. I always say this na pag nag-host ako ng kasal, that the sweetest I love yous are said during a fight. Try mo, nag-aaway kayo, mag-I love you ka, tapos ang away. Bago ka mag-walkout, mag-I love you ka, umalis ka. Kahit kasalanan mo, talo siya.
Pero recently, nagawa ko yun. Totoo yan. At the peak of my galit and my emotion, I wrote him a love letter.
Aww.
And I gave it to him. It killed everything.
Yo, totoo.
It killed everything.
Extinguish lahat talaga.
Nawawala. Talagang love wins all the
Totoo yan.
time. And forgiveness. Tama yung sinabi
It's
mo.
the sweetest I love yous you can hear during a fight. Because when things are easy, it's easy to fall in love. True love is when there are all the reasons to walk away and yet you stayed. When you find the right person, it's just beautiful to surrender things to that person. Doesn't mean na he or she is better than you. Because love is surrender. Pagsuko ang pag-ibig.